Welcome to Mac Volkswagen TV.
At Mac Volkswagen, we like to have fun. This is Joe Hergert with Mac Volkswagen.
In this video, we're going to take Google Maps for a test drive.
Google Maps now, and we're going to utilize that. So right now, right off the bat, we're greeted with Google Earth. You've got a full-on, you can see a satellite view of everything. It shows you where you are. So it looks really spectacular like that. If we push here, we can get this just by tapping in the middle of the map. So we get search and we get settings. If we go to settings, we can actually turn off the satellite maps and make it kind of more like Apple Maps. It looks different, but it's simpler, so it's less distracting. I personally like the satellite maps, and we're going to go ahead and utilize it with satellite maps on. You can also see that there's some other things like route options here, and you've got map colors, which really just allows you to switch from day and night. I guess it wants me to pick a color, and then it goes back. You've also got having north, up, or utilizing the 3D, and I really like to utilize the 3D. You can turn the traffic off and on. I definitely want the traffic on. Then you've got the volume.
You can change navigation volume with your car's controls, but only when navigation is speaking.
So you've got all those with Google. Let's go ahead and put in our search here. So again, you've got recent searches, kind of similar, but they're bigger and you can actually see more things there. But you lost the map view at the same time. You've got some saved places. 4 places I wanted to go. Well, I went to that one. I don't know if I have actually gone to that one. I've been to that one. So interesting. I forgot I put those in there. Some place I started to go. But we're just going to go back to Mac Volkswagen right now. So we're going to go, there we go, Mac Volkswagen. So it's actually titled in there as Mac Volkswagen. It's really easy like that. So now it tells us what time we're going to arrive, how long it's going to take us to get there, and how far away it is. If we push start. So now we're going to show you what it's like to drive back, and I wonder if the crash will still be there, and if that'll give us, that'll do anything, if we'll be able to see the crash or not, and that'll still be there. Beautiful day out today. Actually just noticed that our sound was turned off there, so we didn't get a prompt for that turn. So it'll get us on the next one.
Turn left onto Oregon 99 West South 3rd Street. Continue on Oregon 99W South for 4 miles.
Alright, so we can see the different roads there. You can see where Madison Street is green, meaning the traffic is good, but you can see those little parts of yellow and red where the traffic is stacked up, or where it's red where it's actually stopped. I just noticed that it says the speed limit is 25, but it's actually 20 through here, so that's also fascinating. Alright, so it's telling us that we're 3.3 miles from our turn up there. Just to see what it's like, we're going to actually veer from the route here, and just to give you an idea of what it does when it's rerouting and stuff. Should actually have done that with Apple Maps, but and also since there's only one more turn, I wanted to give you the
Head north on Northeast Mineral Springs Road. Continue on Northeast Mineral Springs Road for 3/4 of a mile.
So there you go. Just wanted to give you a couple more turns so that you'd get an idea of what it does if you veer from the route, what it looks like when it's rerouting.
In a 1/4 mile, make a U-turn. Make a U-turn. Continue on Northeast Mineral Springs Road for 3/4 of a mile. In a 1/4 mile, turn right onto Oregon 99W South. Turn right onto Oregon 99W South, Pacific Highway West. Continue on Oregon 99W South for 3 miles.
Alright, well, it looks like the crash is gone, so it's no longer warning us of the crash. And I don't think it's there anymore. It's okay, we took like an alternate route. We stopped a little bit to watch the jet ski. Hope everybody was okay on the crash. Didn't look too bad. Hope just a fender bender. Actually, you know what? There is still some things going on from it there. And we don't have, nobody's notified us. So there's a difference right there. Google's not actually showing the crash. So I find that fascinating.
In 1,000 feet, your destination will be on the left. Your destination is on the left.
Crash is pretty much gone. You can see the tow truck just going ahead of us there.
Thanks for watching another Mac Volkswagen video. See us on the web at MacVolkswagen.com. Stop by at 1920 Northeast 99 West, McMinnville, Oregon. Or give us a call, 877-721-5794. Mac Volkswagen, in the heart of wine country.